Hi, this is Ed from Exotic Blanks. Today we're going to be doing the click mechanism assembly on the SPW line, the Space Penworks lines. It's not difficult, but it is a lot easier once you've seen it. So let's get started on this. First, you want to put all the pieces on the table. Take them all out of the little baggies, and there will be the top and the spring and a plastic piece, actually with plastic inside it, and the outside. To start, you may want to mark the top of the white piece so that you know where the top is. Then you take out the white inserts, push on the top of that, the threaded part, and all those parts will come out. Now you've got the white insert, which has got red paint on it, and we're going to insert that into the outside piece, the piece that's going to be your plunger holder, if you want to call it that, the top of the pen, the finished top of the pen. Next, you want to take that white piece with the red mark on it and put a little bit of a glue on it. Don't use CA, it'll discolor your metals. Then insert that into the housing, and it should look like the picture that you're seeing here. Take that, put it aside for an afternoon or an evening, and then wait until tomorrow to put the rest of it together. Once the adhesive is set, simply take the two pieces that go together for the click mechanism, put those together, and then insert them into the plastic housing that you've put in with glue, and push that all in with some kind of a device. I use a tweezers, and then put the spring on top and the metal piece that is the plunger. Once that's done, it is assembled and ready to use. That's all there is to assembling the mechanism. Then I'll put together another video that will tell you how to assemble the pen once this is completed. So, wishing you good turning. This is Ed from Exotic Blanks. Thanks for watching. Bye now.